What's up, gang? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to dodge copyright strikes forever. Forever. That was sick. It's been a little while since I worked in After Effects, but I wanted to add something really fun into today's episode. So if you wouldn't mind, get down there, hit that like button for the graphics. If you don't want to do it for me, do it for the graphics. If you've ever gotten a copyright warning, you know it sucks. If you don't already know about epidemicsound.com, you've gotta head over there and check it out. That way you guys can stay focused on creating, worry less about the music, and keep your butts away from Johnny Law. All right, you're not gonna get like arrested or anything like that, but YouTube could shut your channel down if you get too many consistent strikes. They've got something like 30,000 tracks and like 60,000 sound effects, which is exactly where I got mine for that sweet special effects part in the beginning. Except for the whoosh. I did the whoosh myself with my mouth. Go check out epidemicsound.com. It's only 15 bucks a month. You can't beat that. You're going to love it. It's worth the $15. I used to worry about where I was getting my music for my YouTube videos on a daily basis, but now I don't think about it anymore. I just go, I listen to all the music, I find something that I like, I download it, throw it into my YouTube video, and that's it. I don't have to worry about copyright strikes. I don't have to worry about anything. I can monetize all my videos. Everything is A-OK. And if you ever decide to leave Epidemic Sound, all your videos, all of your past videos that you've already used the music in are protected. So that's where I get my music from, along with everybody on YouTube at this point. So check out Epidemic Sound. Get down there, hit that subscribe button for new content every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm excited to share with you guys some new things coming to this channel. It should be a great time. We'll see you later.